Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to manage your expenses using Rippling. So the first thing we should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for rippling.com and you will be redirected to this website. So right here, you just have to see a demo first before you can sign up for an account. All right, and then just simply click on this option right here at the top, and then just have to type on right here your business email. Take note that you can only use your business email, your full name, the company name, the estimated number of employees, the headquarters, then your phone, and then which product are you interested in. So after that, you just have to click on the see rippling option. Okay, so since we don't have a business ID, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to discuss the products, and then let's just focus on, and then let's just focus on the payroll. Right here on the payroll, we have the global payroll and then the US payroll. So we have global payroll, employer of record, contractor of record, global contractors, payroll, and then contractors. So let's start with the global payroll. Okay, so here with the fast and accurate global payroll delivers peace of mind. Okay, so here they will handle the calculations. So Rippling calculates and transmits payroll taxes and mandatory benefits tailored to local, national, local, and industry specific requirements. You can also get built-in freedom, so have the flexibility to adjust or approve pay runs until just days before payday, and yeah, off-cycle pay runs are free. Next, we have here the run payroll with confidence. So a simple, intuitive flow paired with time-saving automation and integrations makes global pay runs on Rippling faster and reduce the errors. Next, here, Rippling calculates and transmit payroll taxes again, mandatory benefits. So here, this one is an all-in-one solution makes your pay runs easier. So Rippling is the one and only solution where global teams' entire payroll lives in a unified system. Lighten your payroll admin load, avoid manual errors, and never miss a beat. Okay, so you have that right here. So we have the processing payroll. All right, so get consistency around the world, sync changes from HRIS, and sync changes with benefits. Okay, so now let's proceed to the employer of record. Okay, so here on the employer of record, so employing internationally is stressful because you don't know what you don't know. So the Rippling relieves your stress with expert global HR services. So onboard in minutes, hire and onboard new global employees to maximize productivity on day one. Pay locally in days, not weeks. So pay all your employees around the world without delay. Then automate global compliance. Double checking compliance risk takes time. So Rippling runs securely in the background, continuously flagging potential risk, and then unify HR, IT, and finance. So data entry and duplicate system waste time. Every team has one source of employee data, so speedy automation can take on the manual IT, finance, and HR tasks. So pay around the world 3 times faster, so you can shorten the payroll lead times. Rippling has the fastest payroll lead times, just 5 days. Then run payroll quickly instead of manual uploads. Rippling speeds up the pay runs by auto calculating payroll inputs for you. And then calculate payroll accurately. Rippling has industry leading visibility for both employers and employees. Okay, so we'll try to discuss each one of these. So let's proceed to the contractor of record. Okay, so for the contractor record, So here you can grow responsibly, outsource contractor compliance, so no need to become an expert in contractor classification, unified workforce management, no more distributed contractor and employee management, and then advanced tooling and dedicated support, so no more back and forth with a contractor. Rippling provides contractors with advanced tooling on payments and invoicing, as well as dedicated support to free up your time. So you can gain peace of mind and full control. Now let's proceed to the payroll. Okay. So for the payroll, your business is complex, so the payroll software should not be. So with the compliance automations and endless configurability, the Rippling runs payroll in minutes, so your team can focus on other priorities. Okay, so here you can approve and run your payroll. We have comparing to last options, and then here just have to preview your payroll. Okay, so again, you can run your payroll accurately, on time, and then every time. So this one, they built the Rippling's payroll software on a unified record of employee data, meaning it can automate manual work and reduce the risk of human error. So for the payroll automation, you just click the run, and then Rippling automatically calculates your payroll taxes and files them with the right federal, state, and then local agencies at the right time every time. And then get visibility into changes across the pay ranks. Then fully customizable payroll software. Okay, so here, delegate control without sacrificing control, run payroll as many times as you like, and then create pay types for your exact needs. And then for the unified system, every tool payroll depends on in one place. So automatically sync payroll with benefits, expenses, and more. So bring your favorite accounting system as well. And then companies that run on Rippling perform better. So we have that right here. Okay, and then analyze, automate, and orchestrate anything. So most all-in-one software consists of the acquired systems. These modules don't connect, which means your business data remains fragmented too. Rippling takes a platform approach, building products on a single source of truth for all the business data related to employees. So this rich, flexible data source unlocks a powerful set of capabilities. And then we have here the payroll features. So payroll software for businesses of every size. So we have this right here. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.